Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to prepare for small individual braids. This part works for both knotless and box traditional box braids. So first of all, you want to start with moisturizing your client's hair, to make work easy for you, and then you're going to go on ahead to part from ear to ear across your client's head. When you do that, you're just going to try to make a sketch, but while you're making the sketch of the pattern, just make sure that it is as clean as possible or as straight as possible. After making your sketch, like after parting the hair as the first sketch, you want to go ahead to put your product on it. Now you can use any type of product, or should I say braiding jam. I'm actually using Shine and Jam Magic Fingers. You can use any type that you want as long as it doesn't leave like a white residue. After that, you clean up the parts by going over it with your either precision comb or your cotton comb once again, just to clean it up and make it look clean and very straight. Now when I'm done parting from here to here across the head, I'm just going to put that part away, and then I'm going to go to the back section of the head, and then I'm going to part from here to here again, but this time around I'm going to be parting from here to here at the back of the head. You're going to see what I'm talking about in a minute, but the difference is just that for this back section I'm not going to put product at all. Just wait a minute and you will see what I'm talking about. One thing I want to tell you is that when you are parting, you want to take your time. Do not rush the process. Take your time, do your thing, and just make sure that it's as clean as you can make it. Now, this is the back section I'm talking about. And this back section, I'm going to part it, and then when I'm done doing that parting from here to here, I'm going to divide it into three sections again, just to make three sections of braids. I do three sections of braids for the back, but it all depends on the client. Some clients you might have to do two, but my standard is three. So I just realized that I didn't explain why some clients you might have to just do two at the back, while some clients you would have to do three. Now, the reason why some clients would have to do two is size of the client's head. All clients can have the same head size. Some people would have like big back section of the head, while some will have small head, like small back section of the head. So the sizing would depend on the client's size of head, if that makes sense. So you just have to make sure that you check your client's head size to know which one would work. You would see that if you use three for clients with small head size, it might be too small. It will be too small, like compared to the size of the other braids that you are going to be making. So yeah, I hope this explains it. Now we're going to move to the front section of the hair, and then first of all you're going to divide it in the middle. So you'll be having two parts, one part by the right and one part by the left. Now to divide it in the middle, like to make that middle division, all you have to do is place your precision comb or whatever equipment that you are using in the middle of our nose, like that nose bridge, and then you just take it all the way up. I didn't notice that it was not recording when I was making this video. I would have had like a physical description, but I really hope that you understand. Now when you are done with the middle division, you are just going to section each section. You've already like sectioned the hair into two parts. Now for each section you are going to be making 6 different parts in the section, if you get what I'm saying. Let me recap. We already divided the hair into two. Now we have the left side and then we have the right side. Now for the left side you're going to be making 6 different patterns. Same thing with the right side, so that means we would be having 12 different patterns total for the front. Now to recap the whole pattern, we part from here to here across the head, make 12 patterns. Now we pass the back as well from here to here for the back section, and then for that one we are going to be doing 3 patterns. Now we're going to be left with the middle section. Now this is how you make work faster for you. A lot of braiders would rather like prepare everything, and that will probably take you like 30 to 1 hour. But then with this method, all you just have to do now is part the back, make it, then pre-part the front. Now when you are done doing the whole pre-parting for the front, you are just going to connect the front to the middle section. You're going to see what I'm talking about in a minute, and trust me, this takes about 20 minutes for the whole pre-parting thing, and it is so freaking fast. Now you can see I am trying to connect that pattern that I made in front with the middle part. This technique has really saved me like a whole lot of time. Like it really doesn't take time at all. Like imagine if I have to like prepare everything, like prepare that the three different parts at the back, prepare the 12 parts in front, and then prepare the 6 parts in the middle. Like it just takes so much time. But doing this method, it's very easy, it's faster, and then you can always change things as you go. If you notice that it's not as clean as you want it, you can change it. If it's not as big as you want it, you can change it. And this is it. I'm done like connecting the front side with the middle section, and then I'm just going to finish off with the front section. And yeah, this is the final result of the braids. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you end up enjoying the video and if you learned something. Till my next video, bye guys.